Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can play Freecash in PC. So what you're going to do is just open the Freecash, so you can have the link in the description down below. You just have to click on that one, and if you don't have an account yet, you have to register on that link and you will receive a $5 bonus just by signing up. So in here, you just have to go to the offers, and from here you can scroll and browse any offer or task that you think is easy for you. So they have here different tasks, and you can also see the bonus or the money that you can earn from doing it. So just a tip, you can also search for TikTok. This is the most easiest task for me. So when I search TikTok, you just have to click on this $5 right here. So what you're gonna do in this one is you just have to download the application, the TikTok application, and you have to stay there for about 5 minutes. So in there, you just have to see or to look at the steps. Once you click on the task that you want to do, just tap on earn, and it will show you this QR code. So what you're going to do is just scan this QR code, and then you will be redirected to do the task. So here you can also go to the affiliates. So you can also share your link to your friends and to other people, and you can also earn money from doing that. So if you want to cash out, go to the withdrawal, and then from here, you will see here a bunch of options on how you can withdraw the money that you earn in Freecash. So here you can have the PayPal, you can also have the gift cards, the Bitcoin, and stuff like that. So most commonly used is the PayPal, so it depends on you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can play Freecash on PC. So don't forget to click the link in the description down below so you can sign up and get $5 bonus just for signing up. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!